This is a quick video tutorial to show you how the AquaWatch swimming pool alarm works and what's inside the box. This alarm is very loud and will notify you when someone falls in the water. It goes off at 100 decibels and sets up in about 5 to 10 minutes. You can put it into sleep mode with a magnetic key, and it works with two 9-volt batteries for your convenience. When the batteries are low, you will hear a beep periodically to let you know that it is time to replace them. Let's have a quick look and see what's inside the box. Your alarm comes with real simple instructions to set it up. This is the remote receiver, which goes in the kitchen or in the living room and will go off together with the pool alarm. The power adapter gives power to the remote receiver, and a 9-volt battery must be installed for backup power should there be a power interruption. There's a handle that attaches to the top with a couple of screws to easily move it around. The actual alarm is made out of heavy-duty square PVC tubing with rounded edges. Down the middle is the sensor, which is a long rod with a rubber float at the end, which easily moves with the up and down motion of the water. This is an optional screw that can go into the deck, and it'll keep the device in place. This is the magnetic key that will put the alarm to sleep when you swipe it over the flashing LED. The handle allows you to pull the alarm out of the water. It attaches with 2 screws and is very easy to install. Let's open the alarm and take out the control unit to show you how it looks like inside. The control unit is fully enclosed and water resistant, with a rubber coating on the PC board to resist the outdoor weather. This is where you install the two 9-volt batteries. The electronics are inside this plastic box, and a wire runs down to the sensor. This white button resets the alarm after it went off. You can only reset the alarm at the pool. And this concludes what's inside the box. Order your alarm today from poolalarms.co.za.